Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, good afternoon.
Sarah, what's your last name, ma'am?
It's Harmelio.
We're here right now po sa office ng PK1
Yes.
Trading, the official distributor or owner of the Sarah Skin brand,
Yes.
in Dubai. So, ma'am, we're very curious because we've seen Sarah Skin sa digital and all the way from the Philippines. We're very curious to know more about the brand. So, can you tell us more about Sarah Skin and ano po yung nag-inspire sa inyo to create this brand?
Okay. That's a very good questions. You know, Sarah Skin, ginawa namin to because we want to spread the happiness. Because you know, some people, they don't have confidence in their selves because they have some many skin problems, yung mga mukha nila, may mga pimples, and they're afraid to face another people because maybe baka kansyawan sila or that one. For Sarah Skin, if you use the Sarah Skin, you will really feel the quality, and we can ensure that Sarah Skin will help all the skin problems, and they don't need to think which is winter here, summer, or any season, because Sarah Skin is very safe and especially it's very effective. And you can feel the difference if you use for 1 week. You will feel happy because your skin will be lightened, you will feel beautiful, and that is very important to us.
Okay. And then, yung bago nyo na naging Sarah Skin, ano yung mga past na work nyo? And bago nyo na-discover na kailangan ko pala magtayo ng isang ganitong beauty brand?
My first job here in UAE is I work as a quality control in a catering company in Al-Quds. But then, you know, the challenges, I'm living in Ajman. Coming and going in Dubai is very hard because of the traffic. So, and then, gumagamit ako ng product, pero ayaw ko kasi parang yung skin ko nagkaka-irritate. Tapos sabi ko, bakit kaya hindi na lang ako gumawa? Yung passion na gusto kong mangyari. Kasi ang dami ko nang nasubukan na business, puro failure na lang. Sabi ng partner ko, dapat daw gumawa ko ng isang business na yung sa puso at saka passion. Kasi pag passion mo at saka gusto mo yung trabaho mo, magsasucceed ka. So sabi ko, bakit hindi ko gawin yung skincare? Kasi mahilig din ako sa mga lotion. Tsaka ako din sa sarili ko, wala akong self-confident. Kasi maitim ako dati, ganyan. Oo. Tapos sabi ko, gusto ko gumawa ng brand na may collagen. Kasi gusto kong bumata. Kahit ito, yung age ko na ganito, gusto ko din yung parang may confident ka na humarap sa ibang tao. Kaya naging Sarah Skin siya.
Okay. Sarah is named after sa inyo?
Si Sarah Skin, name siya ng daughter ng partner ko.
Okay.
Pero naging Muslim name ko na rin siya.
So that's nice. Parang there's a connection.
Yes.
It's both of you
Yes.
using Sarah Skin.
We don't want to put a brand without a touch.
Yes.
So may touch of love talaga siya.
The touch of love kasi can be translated
Yes.
into both,
Yes.
diba?
Yeah.
Both of you, di ba? Na magkaibang lahi, diba?
Kasi
So
ang
that's
meaning
nice.
kasi ng Sarah sa in Arabic is maganda eh. Parang
Okay.
Sarah is parang gusto mo. Pag sinearch mo yung Sarah, maganda yung meaning.
Sa Arabic. Okay, that's nice.
Mm.
So when you first entered dito sa Dubai, paano yung mga challenges nyo? And ano yung unang product na kinreate nyo?
The first product is the scrub, our scrub.
Mm.
Last 2 years ago, naging maganda yung feedback ng Pilipino. Kasi tinry ko lang sa sarili ko. Nagsimula ang Sarah Skin, ako lang nagla-live. Tapos ang daming challenges. Pag sinasabi namin sa live selling namin, may effect siya, makikita mo in 1 week. Hindi sila naniniwala kasi daw bola-bola lang daw yan. Kasi ganito, ganyan. Pero sabi ko, try ninyo. Pag hindi siya nag-infect ng 15 days, balikan ninyo, i-refund ko. Not until there is one other nationality who tried our product, which is the Sri Lankan. Sabi niya sa akin, alam mo po ba ma'am, ang ganda ng product niyo kasi scrub lang ginamit niya. Nag-lighten daw yung skin niya. So it means, Sarah Skin is not only for Filipino, it's for all nationality who want to bring happiness to their skin.
Kakaiba siya, no? Kasi pag may Asian formulation, minsan di nag-adapt sa Pilipinas, may mga ibang formulations. Diba, may mga ibang brands din ako na alam na parang hindi nag-adapt. Kakaiba talaga yung Sarah Skin kasi kumbaga lahat ng lahi, whether mainit or ano, talagang
Kahit anong weather.
napag-aralan nyo yan, ma'am.
Yes. Ang gusto ko talagang mangyari is, yung brand namin, mag-evolve siya sa any other nationality, not only Filipino. Kahit saang babae nandyan sa buong mundo, kaya ng Sarah Skin to spread the happiness.
So, nung una kayo nagsisimula, syempre medyo mahirap. Sabi mo, ikaw lang nag-live selling. Sino yung unang mga nag-patronize ng product? Nung parang ikaw pa lang mag-isa, tapos ikaw lang yung nag-live selling, di ba? So, parang challenge. May mga challenges din.
As in talagang, first nung tatlo lang kami, dalawa yung pinsan ko, si Grace tsaka si Rani. Tapos ako, nagla-live selling. Minsan ang hirap, ma'am, walang magtitiwala talaga sa'yo kahit sabihin mo na, sige, free na yan, para tawag ito, para i-patronize nyo. Buy one, take one pa ngayon dati, ma'am. Pero,
Hindi ka nag-give up?
no. Kasi sa business, hindi mo kailangan mag-give up. As long as may bumili sa'yo, isang araw, isa. Maano ka na niyan.
Kasi confident ka sa product.
Tapos, kasi pag may bumili sa'yo na isa, tapos may friend siya, ginamit niya, nakita niya yung effect, ay, tatanungin ka, ay, anong brand na ginamit mo? O, di ba, sasabihin, ay, ito, try mo si Sarah Skin, hanggang na-spread na siya. Hanggang after 1 month, ayun, dumami na yung orders sa amin. Tapos, nagpo-post na kami sa Facebook, sa TikTok, ng mga reviews. Ayun, tapos curious na yung mga Filipino, Indian, any other nationality, ayun. Pinapatronize na rin yan.
So, yung dalawang produkto yung unang pumatok.
Yes.
So, kailan yung sumunod na product and bakit yun yung mga sinunod yung produkto?
Kasi first product was the scrub.
Okay.
After the scrub, naging patok na siya. Tapos sabi ng mga customer, ma'am, wala po ba kayong lotion? Para complete set na daw. So, kasi si scrub, pwede mo siya i-replace sa sabon. So, first, you will use the scrub. After that, lotion. So, nag-produce ako ng lotion. Akala ko nga, sabi nila, ay hindi, yung mga whitening na yan, may white cast. But 100% I will prove our Sarah Skin lotion is no white cast. Kaya, nagpatok din siya sa masa. Kasi, yung price niya, hindi siya mahal, affordable, at the same time, may effect talaga siya na makikita mo.
Kaya itong interview natin is we wanna share this story for the Philippine market.
Yes.
Na malaman nila yung ganda talaga ng Sarah Skin. So, can you share the initial available products in the Philippines? Because we are looking for distributors as well, right?
All our products is available. We have in the Philippines the scrub, the lotion, the toner, the shampoo. 7 products is there already in the Philippines. So, if anybody wants to be distributor, we are open.
Okay.
So we just let us know. There is a contact number there. You can just go to our page, TikTok page, and then Facebook page.
Nag-start kayo, ma'am, ilang employees? Ngayon, ilan na kayo?
I started only 3 employee. Lahat ng employee ko dito family. Kasi this Sarah Skin is a family business. So nag-start ako tapos yung pinsan ko 2 ngayon. Alhamdulillah, we are already 24 after a year. And more to come because we are expanding to another country again.
Yes. We have in GCC.
Yeah, we have in Bahrain, we have in Saudi, and then soon we'll be also opening in Kuwait.
Wow.
Yes, because we have a lot of demand in Kuwait.
Ng beauty products.
Yes, for Sarah Skin.
So, ma'am, paano yun? Paano mo yun nalalaman? Like, is there a market study or yung nagsasabi sa'yo na ano? Or gut feel mo talaga?
No,
siya?
sa akin lang.
Talaga?
Parang gut feel ko na kasi kada gumawa ko ng products na sa office ko, nag-iisip ko ano po ba magandang product na pwede siyang i-compete sa market. Hindi siya kamahalan, pero yung quality niya, pwede siyang i-compete kahit saan. Kaya lahat ng products na sa Skin, may touch of love talaga yan. Kasi ayaw mong maglabas ng isang product na basta ka lang maglabas ng product na wala lang. Ang inisip ko kasi, yung customer ko, hindi masasayang yung pera nila. Kasi worth it yung pera nila pag binili nila sa Sarah Skin.
parang ang understanding ko is the love for yourself,
Yes.
love for your family,
Yes.
and now love for yung mga
Yes.
natutulungan mo ngayon dito sa Sarah's Skin.
And also, I help a lot of, yung mga staff ko dito, dati wala silang mga trabaho, binigyan ko.
Mhm.
At least, not only you are patronizing Sarah's Skin, but also you are helping Filipino here in UAE who have jobless.
Mhm.
Kasi nabibigyan ko sila ng trabaho. Now, they are okay.
Yes, I can see nga na they're very happy. Can you share the secret of success both in the business and personal? Ano yung dapat gawin ng isang nagnenegosyo, or ano yung mga inspirasyon na pwede natin i-share sa ano natin, viewers natin?
Isa lang yung masasabi ko, dapat may love ka sa family mo.
Okay.
Kasi para maging inspiration ka.
Mm.
Tapos, pag naging inspiration ka, yung mga staff mo, mag-inspire din sila.
Mm.
Kasi you should be a role model.
Yes.
You treat your staff, not just a staff, not just a worker, but treat them as a family. Kasi, kung anong binigay mo sa kanila, ibabalik nila yan.
Mm. Naniniwala kayo na aalagaan din nila kung ano yung meron sila.
Yes.
Mm.
Alagaan mo sila kasi aalagaan ka nila.
Yes, oo.
Kwento ko lang. Alam niyo ba yung song na Leader of the Band?
Mm.
Yan yung favorite song ko.
Wow.
Kasi gusto ko yung maging lead. Hindi, ayaw ko maging boss. Gusto ko maging leader.
Yes.
Kasi iba yung boss, iba yung leader. Yung leader kasi,
Cultivating ka.
yung isang
Nurturing.
leader kasi, in-nurture mo yung tao na mag-grow.
Mag-grow.
Kasi ayaw kong mag-grow ako na hindi ko sila kasama. Gusto ko mag-grow kami, lahat kami
Together.
lahat. Yes.
So,
Yun talaga yung goal ko.
So you believe also in succession plans with your
Yes.
family and then the people around.
Kasi lahat sila dito family ko. Ngayon, next year, dito na naman magtatrabaho yung mga pinsan ko, yung anak ko din. Tinuturuan ko na rin sila. Kasi gusto ko dito succession. Kung anong inumpisahan ko, dapat ipagpatuloy nila. Kasi ito lang yung may bibigay ko sa kanila.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Thank you.